Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Excuse me, Miss Fitriana. I will introduce myself. My name is Seni Vidyawati, NIM 210H031405H, Class PAP 21B. Now I will presentation my work about secretary. The meaning of secretary, the word secretary in English come from the Latin secretarius, which means people who are trusted to keep secrets. Thus, what is meant by a secretary is an assistant to a leader who has the task of receiving dictation, preparing correspondence, receiving guests, checking and reminding the leadership of his obligation, and carrying out other tasks related to increasing the effectiveness of the leadership. The meaning of secretary according to the expert. 1. According to M. Brown and Raymond, a secretary is an assistant to a head or leader who receives dictation, prepare correspondence, receive guests, checks, or remind his superiors of his official obligation or agreement, and perform many other related obligations in order to improve the effectiveness of his leadership. Regarding other related obligation to improve the effectiveness of his leadership. 2. According to Dr. Anders de Liangi and said that a secretary is an officer whose job is to organize correspondence, including prepare for an important official or organization. 3. According to Dr. Anders Agi Wurstanto said that the secretary is an employee whose job is to assist the head of the office in completing the work of the leader. 4. Understanding secretary according to Louis C. Nanasi and William Sheldon quote by Sutarto argues that secretary and office employee who a more responsible position that a stenographer, and whose duties usually include talking and transcribing dictation, dealing with the public by answering the telephone, meeting callers, and making appointments, and maintaining or filling records, letters, etc. A secretary frequently acts as an administrative assistant or junior executive. A professional secretary has certain conditions that must be met properly, otherwise the execution of his secretarial duties and function will not run well. In general, the requirements to become a secretary must have an interest in carrying out secretarial duties and skills in the secretarial field in accordance with the understanding or definition of a secretary. The requirements of becoming a secretary are as follows. 1. Personality requirements, namely the characteristic possessed by someone who is a secretary, such as patient, sympathetic, wise, good appearance, good at getting along, trustworthy, holding on to secrets, etc. 2. General knowledge requirements, namely having knowledge of developments that are directly or indirectly related to secretarial work, such as social, economic, political, and legal fields, and in general in order to smooth the implementation of their duties. This is important because a secretary faces many types of work in accordance with the field carried out by a leader, so that not following development occurs. Of course, it can affect the smoothness of his work. 3. Requirements for special knowledge, namely certain knowledge according to the position and duties of the secretary according to the place where he works. Usually, his special knowledge requirement must be taken through formal education, such as school on secretarial management. 4. Requirements for secretarial skill and techniques. The ability of a secretary that is directly related to his secretarial duties, such as the ability to type correspondence, stenograph, and archive. 5. Practice requirement, namely the ability to carry out daily tasks such as receiving guests, telephones, and making agenda for leadership meetings. How professional secretaries work in the era of globalization. 1. Work efficiently. Working efficiently means developing simple and fast ways of working, saving energy and cost, and using tools that can speed up the completion of tasks. The pattern of working efficiently always takes into account the cost to be incurred, but those relate to the energy, time, space, objects, and other costs. Efficient work patterns are based on consideration of how to do tasks in the easiest ways that don't use a lot of thought. The latest way that does not spend a lot of extra energy, the fast way that does not spend a lot of time, or the cheapest way that don't use a lot of money. 2. Work professionally. A secretary must work professionally, meaning that she must have in-depth knowledge, supported by capabilities, accompanied by a good attitude, and able to regulate her emotions so that he will become a secretary who is friendly or warm welcome, polite or courtesy, sincere or sincerely goodwill, and friendly or friendliness. The characteristics of a professional secretary are willing to cooperate, diligent, positive thinking, agile, dynamic, loyal, high spirit, and trustworthy. How to secretary improve his professionalism. 1. Improve mental intelligence, include good a sense of responsibility, not individualist or selfish, provide service with good motivation, independent attitude, dare to take calculated risks. 2. Improve knowledge and skill, including through formal education, course and training, on-the-job training or internship. 3. Work in harmony with leaders. The secretary must adjust to the leadership to be harmonious. Career success and the secretarial profession can be achieved if you follow the instruction on how to work in harmony with the leadership. How to work in harmony with the leadership. 1. Pay attention and learn how to work that the leader likes. That is, the secretary must adjust to the leadership. The secretary must be able to anticipate the needs of the leadership and how did the leadership react. 2. Interrupting the leadership, namely, do not get into the habit of directly interrupting the leader. First, collect the material for question and message for the leader, then interrupt it properly. If you have to interrupt during a meeting, then go straight in or write a message on piece of paper. 3. Suggest an idea to the leadership, namely express opinions regularly, don't give ideas without being asked, do not agree because of compulsion. 4. Delivering efficient working method to the leadership, namely good advice is preferred, delivered at the next time when the leadership is relaxed. Leaders have to make decisions. 5. Correcting leadership errors, namely, if the problem is small, it is immediately repaired subtly. If the problem or error is large, it must be consulted with leader. Personality of professional secretary in globalization era. Personality is the overall pattern of all abilities, action, and habits of a person, but in terms of physical, mental, spiritual, and emotional, which are arranged in a distinctive way by getting external influence. Personality is often identified with a person's identity, both concerning the character, nature, action of action that are a person's attempt to actualize his identity. The secretarial personality is important to be built and developed continuously in order to build the professionalism of a secretary. In the era of globalization, the personality of a professional secretary can be developed from various aspects. One, know herself well to know himself well. The secretary must be honest in his self-assessment. Knowing yourself well means being willing to accept the shortcomings and strengths that exist in him and trying to perfect the shortcomings and increase the strength that exists on him. This brings the secretary to think optimistically, positively, and to respect others, to know yourself well and develop it positively. Some of the things a secretary needs to do are as follows. A. Creating a more attractive personality in carrying out task secretary. B. Look for the hidden advantages within yourself. C. Get rid of bad habits that exist in yourself. D. Be open with coworkers. With self-introduction, the secretary will always compare the work achieved by himself with the development of the company. 2. Ready to accept criticism. A secretary must be open to receiving criticism from both the leader and coworkers. A secretary should not take the criticism lightly, but must be critical of the criticism raised and should not respond to criticism arrogantly and hastily. There are several tips for receiving criticism, including A. Listen and absorb the criticism we receive. B. Ask for advice from others. C. Must be calm and honestly admit. D. Willing to learn from mistakes made. Professional secretary mindset in globalization era. 1. Think positive. A professional secretary is always expected to form a positive attitude, especially in the current global era. For example, not always accusing others, not finding fault with others, being sensitive to the busyness and difficulties of coworkers or leaders, having the spirit to help others, willing to listen others, polite in attitude, loyal, respecting, punctually, can work together, honest, trustworthy, and many more. Positive thinking is a person's perspective on various things, problem with positive vision so that it will result in something positive as well. The secretary must have a positive way of thinking. Leader as the spearhead of the company are always burdened with complex problems. It is not uncommon for the secretary to be targeted when something goes wrong, even though it is not the secretary's fault. As a professional secretary, you must have a positive attitude towards the situation. A secretary needs to help the leader as much as possible and support the leader. 2. Constructive thinking. Constructive thinking means building awareness that is constructive, and correcting so that a secretary does not sink into a pessimistic realm and unwarranted fears. If you are thinking positively about everything you want to do or it is a reflection of the activities you are doing, you don't have to stop there. You have to build a constructive mind so you don't fall into the old pattern where many experience failures or mistakes in carrying out tasks, but always think about it, how to produce the best work. 3. Effective thinking. Effective thinking means a person's perspective to achieve a goal through the skill possessed. The secretary does not only think in a constructive way or think constructively, but a secretary must have a perspective that leads to the achievement of goal with practical and systematic thinking. Thank you for your attention. I apologize if I have wrong about my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.